May I now invite Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, our chief guest for today's roadshow, to address our participants.
Ohayo gozaimasu. Namaskar. Ambassador of India to Japan, Sri C.B. George, Mr. Kazuya Nokaju, Executive Vice President JETRO, ladies and gentlemen. It is a profound honor to address this distinguished gathering here in Tokyo today. I am truly delighted to speak about the ever deepening relationship between India and Japan, a partnership that started as a testament to our shared history, mutual respect, and enduring cultural ties. The bond, rooted in centuries of friendship and understanding, continues to evolve dynamically, opening up vast and promoting leadership. Additionally, Assam is internationally acclaimed for its unique and exotic silk varieties, Muga and Eri, treasured for their unmatched quality, durability, and cultural significance. These unique assets not only define our state identity, but also position Assam as a beacon of excellence at the global stage. Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi, has positioned Northeast India as a new engine of growth for the Indian economy, recognizing the immense potential of our region. Under his visionary leadership, Assam has witnessed a remarkable development in recent past thanks to the unwavering support of the Government of India. The concept of Asta Lakshmi, representing the 8 northeastern states as embodiments of prosperity, has gained immense prominence in all the discourse of the Government of India. The creation of the Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region demonstrates the federal government's commitment to our region's progress. This dedication is further evidenced by the allocation of mandatory 10% of gross budgetary support from key ministries to the Northeast, ensuring sustained development of the region. The Government of India has also introduced a special industrial policy for the Northeast, including the Uttar Purva Transformative Industrialization Scheme, Unnati 2024, which offers various incentives to strengthen the industrial ecosystem and attract new investment to the region. Riding on the immense support and local innovation in governmental system, Assam has embarked on a remarkable journey of transformation, ushering in an era of growth, stability, and opportunity in the recent years. The progress is reflected in the significant rise of our GSDP, which has soared from 29 billion US dollar in 2013-14 to an impressive 68.7 billion US dollar in 2023-24, achieving a nominal compound annual growth rate of 12.4%. Today, Assam stands as a shining beacon of development and peace. Looking ahead of our state trajectory is even more promising, with a projected GSDP of 85.8 US billion dollar by next year and an ambitious target of 143 US billion dollar by US billion by 2030. This extraordinary growth story is testament to the resilience of our people, government system, and the vibrant ecosystem we have cultivated for business, industries, and communities to thrive. Assam is not just rising, it is emerging as a leader in the region, paving the way for a prosperous and inclusive future. Meanwhile, Assam has also successfully attracted investment totaling more than $4.7 billion last year, including India's largest semiconductor OSAT unit by Tata Electronics, food processing unit by Pepsi Company, and multiple FMCG units by Hindustan Unilever, among others, in a significant boost to our technological advancement. The Honorable Prime Minister laid the foundation stone for the Tata Electronics, with where 2.3 billion US dollar will be invested. Thus, this state-of-the-art facility is set up to commence production in 2025. You can imagine the foundation stone was laid last September, in between that, and we are going to complete this facility within 1 year, and first shipment will be out by November 2025. That is the timeline we are working together, creating 27,000 jobs and producing over 48 million chips daily using indigenous technologies. Furthermore, the government of Assam has earmarked 3 billion US dollar for productive link incentive scheme in sectors such as IT, pharmaceutical, and aerospace, underlining our commitment to industrial growth and innovation. Japan's global leadership in technology and innovation position it as an ideal partner for Assam in our pursuit for sustainable and inclusive development. We see immense potential for collaborating in cutting-edge sectors such as electronic, precision engineering, and sustainable technologies. Assam is particularly keen to join hands with Japan on transformative initiatives in renewable energy, electric vehicle, and green innovation, key pillars of a future-ready economy. I'd like to emphasize here that on GIS, we are going to start a new collaborative effort with an Indian company to start green aviation fuel from Assam itself. Japan's partnership through JICA has been transformative for Assam, with significant projects such as the Guwahati Water Supply Projects, Guwahati Sewerage Project, the Assam Health System Strengthening Projects, an initiative aimed at enhancing our urban and rural infrastructure. These collaborations are not just projects, but are pillars of our growing partnership, strengthening the foundation of Assam sustainable development. With the assistance from JICA, today Assam is building world's highest river bridge, the largest river bridge in Fulbari, connecting Assam and Meghalaya, and thereby strengthening a new economic corridor from the northeast India to the Chittagong port. So if you see the distance between Mumbai and Tokyo and Chittagong and Tokyo, it is much less. So Assam, with its waterways, Brahmaputra, we are linked to Chittagong airport, and JICA is actively promoting that economic corridor over last 5-6 years, and now it is getting a huge momentum. In 2027, we are going to inaugurate the 16-kilometer long river bridge over river Brahmaputra that will bring distance between West Bengal, northeastern region, and Bangladesh to a even, it will make it even shorter through a land corridor. So we recognize JICA's effort in this regard. Our human resource are, we see immense potential for collaboration with Japan in building a sustainable industrial ecosystem powered by clean energy. By combining Assam's natural resources potential with Japan's cutting-edge expertise, we aim to pioneer transformative initiatives that not only address the challenges of climate change, but also will set new benchmark for green industrialization in the region. Together, we can create a model of sustainable growth that resonates globally. Our human resources are greatest asset, our greatest asset. Over 40,000 Indians residing in Japan represent a bridge between our culture and economics. We are keen to expand this bridge through initiatives such as technical intern training program and specified skilled worker scheme. These programs will equip our youth from Assam with high demand skill in sector like healthcare, agribusiness, and hospitality, creating a skilled workforce that support both of our countries. Ladies and gentlemen, our vision is to create a business ecosystem that thrives on simplicity, transparency, and efficiency, ensuring absolute ease of doing business. Assam has emerged as a shining example of ease of doing business with our robust single window clearance mechanism, which has successfully facilitated over 2.5 million approvals in recent years. The state government offers very attractive sector agnostic and sector specific policies, including those for priority sector like electronics, renewable energy, and advanced manufacturing. Key policies like industrial and investment policy of Assam and the Assam electronic policy have already sparked growth, particularly in high-tech and sustainable sectors. New initiatives such as electronic system design and manufacturing and green hydrogen projects are designed to position Assam at the forefront of emerging technologies. Beyond this state-specific measure, the Government of India further enhanced the investment appeal with attractive incentive through production-linked incentive scheme and other national policies aimed at boosting manufacturing across diverse sectors. Currently, as Ambassador has mentioned, 1,500 Japanese companies has made India their home, demonstrating the strength of our industrial collaboration. However, the scope and the limit is much beyond 1,500. Assam is eager to welcome more Japanese enterprises. To this effect, we are willing to propose establishment of a Japanese industrial township near Jagirud, where Tata Electronics is coming up with their semiconductor facilities. This township will serve as a beacon of innovation and manufacturing excellence driven by Assamese hospitality. Your industries in Assam will be provided with green power, aligning with our commitment to sustainable development and environmental responsibility. We are making sustainable investment in various solar and hydrogen projects, significantly enhancing the share of renewable energy in our energy mix. Friends, I warmly invite our friends from Japan to explore stunning natural beauty ranked fourth on the New York Times list of 52 must-visit place in the world for 2025. Assam is not just the home of the majestic Brahmaputra River, India's largest, but also boasts sprawling tea gardens that paint a lush green tapestry across the landscape. For those who appreciate the sport, Assam offers 22 exotic golf courses set against picturesque backdrop, providing a unique and screen golfing experience. Additionally, the state is proud to house 3 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, each a testament to our vibrant history and biodiversity. Whether it is the adventure, tranquility, or the pursuit of discovering ancient tradition and exotic wildlife, Assam promises a rich mix of experience that awaits every traveler. Ladies and gentlemen, Advantage Assam 2.0, scheduled for February 25-26, 2025 in Guwahati, is set to be a transformative platform for government to business and business to business connection in the region. This summit will showcase Assam's manufacturing power and highlight opportunities in export-oriented manufacturing and service, particularly for growing economies in ASEAN countries. As we embark on this journey of mutual prosperity within India-Japan strategic partnership, I invite you to explore the myriad investment opportunities in key sectors such as infrastructure, energy, digital economy, semiconductor and electronics, defense and aerospace, automobile manufacturing, pharma, healthcare, agriculture, tourism, and financial service. Join us in Assam, the gateway to Northeast India and Southern Asia, as we create a conducive environment for Japanese investment and foster lasting economic partnership. I would also like to emphasize another emerging development which is happening in my next door, that is Bhutan. Bhutan is coming up with a new city called Gelefu Mindfulness City. It will be it will have a His Majesty King has a huge vision for the city, and that city will be 8 kilometers from Assam. In fact, we are developing a new railway track from Guwahati to Gelefu so that there is a seamless connection between Guwahati and Gelefu. So the Gelefu Mindfulness City will provide another opportunity for all of us. And Assam being in the next door, we can grow together. That is the collective vision of Bhutan and Assam. In the summit itself, the Royal Government of Bhutan will have a session on Gelefu Mindfulness City. So that will be another important points which will be highlighted in our Global Investment Summit. I understand that Japan has increased its footprint in India, and that is a very welcoming position. Our Prime Minister lays huge emphasis the partnership between India and Japan. I also strongly feel that Japan and Northeast region of our country has a unique bond. We are really grateful for the development assistance that has come from Japan over the years to the Northeast India. However, I think now time has come to look beyond the development packages or development assistance, and time has come for real investment. We are willing to work for setting up a industrial township customized need of Japanese entrepreneurship. As you know, we have already academic tie-up with IIT Guwahati and Japan's universities. We have a very vibrant academic environment. We have IIT Guwahati. We have Indian Institute of Information Technology, AIMS Guwahati. These are very high-ranking academic institutes within our country. Apart from that, two more prestigious institutions is being set up in Assam this year. One is National Forensic Science University, other is Indian Institute of Management. So all these institutes, coupled with our central universities, state universities, engineering colleges, National Institute of Technology, provide a very impressive manpower which can cater the requirement for Japan industry. We should not look northeast from its distance from Delhi and Mumbai. We should look northeast from the distance we have with our Southeast Asian countries. If we look Delhi as a capital of India, the Assam and Northeast India is the gateway of our country to Southeast Asia and vice versa. So that is a very important geographical position we have. Our next door neighbor is Bangladesh, Myanmar, Bhutan, and of course we are connected very robustly with the rest of our countries. So I'll request all of you, please explore for the investment in my state. Prime Minister is very, very willing, eager to facilitate such investment. This is not only an appeal from my government, it is in fact a joint endeavor. Prime Minister will be present throughout the summit, and almost all the important ministers of you for that summit. And also please come and see that how we can create a space or create a new avenues for Japanese investment in our part of the region. Our ambassador will be available for all of you to answer any queries. We will be in touch. Ambassador will be in touch with us, so we can create a platform for frequent interaction, and we can actually look for some sustainable gains. Thank you very much for the attendance today, and we hope to increase this interaction in days to come. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.